longer eating. Once you paddle over them, they're going to be less likely to eat.
Oh, interesting.
And you want to throw one, you basically want to bounce one off of every single one of these stumps. There's one. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Are you a big boy or are you stuck in the stump? Oh, fuck. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Get back here. Don't you get off. That's a decent fish. Woo. That was a workout. He got me wrapped around a stump. Okay. Man, they're eating.
What's that?
They're eating.
Perfect.
He was right on it though. Like I bounced this off the stump and he ate it right away.
Okay.
So that's pretty cool. Thanks, buddy. That was awesome. Good fight. You get one?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Come on. Oh, he got off too. They're just, a lot of these are just little guys nipping at tails. And there you go. You got a bite.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one. Is that one? It's little. Oh yeah. Oh God, that is little. Buddy, what are you thinking? Yeah, there you go. Now you've got him.
Okay.
So now you got to let yourself off some slack with your rod. Open the bail.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, okay. That's perfect. Yep, you want lots of slack.
Okay.
So that was awesome.
Oh.
That was a good hit too, right in shallow water and stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. You still got too much tension there. Yeah, get yourself some line. Yeah,
Okay.
there you go. So you want it, yeah, you want it slack so you can handle him.
Yeah.
And then like in this case, it tore a big hole. It just slides right out.
Yep.
And there you go.
Cool.
Take a picture of your first fish.
Yeah. Why not?
You can hold him by his belly too, and then it'll hold him flatter.
Like that.
Yeah. Yeah, so you're gonna want to drop into your seat without letting it go slack, which is a bit tricky. And there you go. Flip him into the boat. Right into your floor. Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, that's just a little guy.
Yeah, just a little tiny guy.
But that's all right.
Cool.
He put up a hell of a fight for the size. He
Well,
got you real tangled in there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's an aggressive bite. Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. There we go. That's a mess. Oh. I knew there was a fish down there eating. Oh, don't you dare fucking kill that. I want. And it's a smallmouth. Open your mouth. I knew there was a fish down there eating. Look at that. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, that's a small one.
Another one that's gonna count?
No. No, just a little one. That's a better one. Oh, awesome. There's a decent one. I don't even know if the camera's still rolling. Little guy on the frog. Really big. That one's not big. That's a decent little bass. Oh.
Nice.
That's probably my wife wondering where the hell I am.
Yeah, probably.
Hi, babe.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Whereabouts are you?
We're on the lake. Yeah, so that's lighter gear. So that's fine. You're doing good. Just keep him pinned. He's got you in the logs. Let me just pull this up. Yeah, I hope you're not hooked on the log. I'm also gonna grab my net.
He's still on there.
Yeah.
Oh, coming in hot. Oh, he's kicking up.
Push you around so that you can try and pull him out from that side. I got it.
Oh, he's kicking up.
I'm gonna push you around so that you can try and pull him out from that side. Oh, you're stuck in it. Okay, you're good.
I'm gonna get stuck again.
Yeah. Oh shit. Did that break?
Maybe.
Jesus. Yeah.
Okay.
I saved your camera.
Thank you.
So reel down and like, yeah. No, yeah, you don't have to jerk it, but reel down and then try and pull him up out of there. Yeah, there you go. Give it a couple of turns on your drag to tighten it up. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
I don't know that that's tighter.
Try the other way. If it's not, yeah, you should be reeling that way. Okay. So get right in there. Like reel all the way down. Get your rod tip underwater if you have to. Try and force him forward.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Making some progress. What? I think I can see him. So, yeah. Pull gently. Now reel down, all the way down. Yeah, okay, gently. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, lift again, lift again, lift again. Oh, dude, that's a... There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, lift again, lift again, lift again. Oh, dude, that's a fucking monster.
I saw him too.
That was insane.
Thank you for the help on
They
that.
saw that. Oh, man. That was fucking cool. Oh, okay. So hit your slack, leave him in the net. Leave him in the net,
Okay.
hit your line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
smell
pop
your
this.
line there.
Let it out.
Yeah, yeah, let the line out. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Fuck yeah.
That's fucking cool. So there, you're hooked. That's it. You're ruined forever.
Yeah.
That's a fucking monster.
That's a big fish.
That's a big bass. I don't know how big that is, but it's a good one. Okay, so, oh man, he was barely hooked too. Barely hooked. Just right in the corner.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's huge. Okay, I'm gonna put him in the net just so he's in the water. This fucking, oh, here. Between the stump and the power pole, we should be okay.
Okay.
Whew, that was stressful. I was getting worried we were going to lose that guy.
I thought so for a second.
Oh, I can't believe he didn't come off. Like in the stump, buried like that.
Oh, yeah.
You did good though that time. You just held your pressure,
Well, that
kept
was...
him pinned. That was exactly what you focused on, and you just and support him with your other hand. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, solid. Caught like 2 fish that size. This is good. Now hold him a little flatter, like horizontal. Yeah, there you go. Awesome.
Cool.
I'm really curious to see. This is, I mean,
Yeah, me too.
this is your personal best,
For sure.
right? Like at this point.
How do we,
So-
you want to
Yeah.
take them?
Yeah, got
Okay.
it. Oh my God, that is big, dude. So mouth closed, you're getting 18 and a quarter. Get his head right in
Nope.
there?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
he's
good.
okay. He's gone.
Yeah.
Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.